How to show or hide the period key and the .com key in keyboard for email address input on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. From here, scroll down and tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. After that, scroll down. Now tap on Layout and scroll down and go to the email address input and tap on the toggle button right next to the period key or the .com key. This will allow you to show or hide the .com key when you are using with the email address input text field. And that's it. Finally, you can go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.